Hey, what's up you guys? So today I'm here with another video and I got kind of bored because I've been at home quite a bit, so I decided, hey, why not make some slime? So I'm going to show you how I like to make my fluffy slime, and I'm even going to add a little bit of some sparkles because you know your girl loves the bling. So right here in this bowl I got all the stuff I'm going to need. And you can pick it up at your local, like, dollar store, Dollar Tree, whatever. This is where I got all my stuff. So the first thing I'm gonna use this glitter. Make it pretty. Baking soda. Contact solution or saline solution. Glue. And I'm gonna make my slime green. You gotta have your shaving cream. Baby oil. That'll make it less sticky. And I grabbed spoons just for kicks and giggles because I don't want to measure anything out. So, okay, so the first thing you're going to add is the glue. You use about a half a cup of glue if you want to make... Problem with having glorious nails, you can't do anything. My brother just came into the rescue for me here, so we're going to go ahead and just dump that in there. Oh, wow. Now I'm going to add just a few drops. I don't want to make it like too dark because it might look gross, but I don't want it to look like baby poop.
It might look a little emo.
Now I'm taking my handy dandy spoon and I'm just going to mix in the green food coloring with the glue. So now that we have this like green slimy glue, we are adding shaving cream. Any shaving cream will work as long as it's like the foam.
It's so satisfying.
Are you satisfied yet? And just go ahead and mix the shaving cream and the glue and color together. And now we're going to add some baking soda. You don't need a whole lot. I'm just going to add a little bit to the spoon. That seems about right. Whatever. And now you just add just a little bit of the saline solution, about a tablespoon, about a tablespoon. And I'm actually going to go ahead and have my brother knead it together because your girl doesn't want it all up in her nails for days. I will play with it after that's done, but not until it's all squished together.
Okay, I'm going in. Oh, man. You might want to hold it so I don't knock it off. Okay.
I'm going to go ahead and add some glitter while you're sparkling it up. Oh my gosh, it's going to be amazing. So next you're going to add a little bit of baby... What is it with everything having these tops that I can't open? Oh, wait. Just a little bit of baby oil in there. Okay, so after we've worked on it for a while, we have got it to... Oh, bubble. Okay. We've got it to be very like what you would buy slime at the store to be. The glitter didn't do what I was hoping for it to do, but it does have that shimmery tint. I'm not sure if you can tell on camera. You can in person. It's just like a very faint glitter. As you can tell, it doesn't really stick to your hands like I was expecting it to. You just have to add quite a bit of baby oil. And so that is all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I enjoyed making it. Anyways, bye.